This eggless apple cake is easy to prepare and beyond delicious. You simply measure, mix, and bake. No electric mixer needed. It looks beautiful and tastes even better. To start, in a medium bowl, combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, nutmeg, and ground cinnamon. Whisk together and set aside. In a large bowl, combine your sugar, oil, yogurt, apple cider vinegar, and vanilla. Whisk those together until all the ingredients are combined. Then you want to pour in the dry ingredients and mix. I find mixing with a silicone spatula the easiest. And here I'm using a whisk and it quickly clumps up in the middle of it. Mix until just combined and avoid overmixing as it does result in a dense cake. Grease an 8-inch metal cake pan on the bottom and sides. Line the bottom of the cake pan with parchment paper to ensure the cake doesn't stick. Then spread out the batter evenly with a spatula. You can then line the top of the cake with sliced apples. You can do any design you'd like, but I recommend brushing the apples with melted butter to prevent them from drying out. Bake in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Insert a toothpick in the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, the cake is done baking. Allow to cool in the pan for 15 minutes. To remove it from the pan, use a knife to run along the outside of the cake, flip onto a large plate, and then place another plate on top of that and flip again so it's right side up. My favorite part is dusting the cake with powdered sugar. My son helped me with this part, and so he got a little overzealous in the center, but it turned out just beautiful.